Good morning. Myself, Prabharan J, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, I am going to discuss about the topic name is bimetallic thermometer. From unit to that is temperature sensor and pressure sensor. From the subject name is basics of sensor technology. Let us discuss. These are the topics to be covered in this video lecture. First is working principle of bimetallic thermometer and its types and applications. Finally, we will discuss the applications of bimetallic thermometer. First, the working principle of bimetallic thermometer. Okay, the bimetallic thermometer uses the bimetallic strip. Here you can see the bimetallic strip, which convert the temperature into the mechanical displacement. The working of the bimetallic strip depends on the thermal expansion property of the material. The thermal expansion is the tendency of metal in which the volume of metal changes with the variation in temperature. Okay, uh, the here you can see the bimetallic strip. The temperature coefficient of all metal is not same. The expansion of contraction of metal is different at the same time. Bimetallic thermometer are device that consist of two strips of metals with different thermal expansion coefficient, which bend in the response to temperature changes due to differential expansion. The range of deflection of bimetallic strip depends on the type of metal used for construction. The deflection of the bimetal is directly proportional to the length of the strip and various temperature, and is inversely proportional to the thickness of the strip. Uh, let understand this with the help of the mathematical formula. Consider the bimetallic strip is made of two different metals, metal A and metal B. Both the metals have a different temperature coefficient. The T2 minus T1 shows the variation of temperature, which causes the expansion of the string. R equal to T uh, into 3 into 1 plus m whole square. Here you can see the one mathematical equation. Here T is nothing but the thickness of the strip, N is nothing but the ratio of moduli of elasticity, and M is the ratio of the thickness. T2 minus T1 is the change in temperature, and T suffix A, T suffix B is the thickness of a metal A and metal B. Alpha A, alpha B is nothing but the temperature thermal as temperature coefficient of expansion of metal A and metal B. Let me see. It's yeah. Okay. Here. Let you do one small activity. What is the value? Find the what is the value of question mark position. Okay, correct answer. Find the correct answer and comment me the correct value of the question mark. And next, let me discuss the types of bimetallic strip. Here you can see the linear strip shows the small deflection. If the length of strip increases, the size of thermometer also increases. For keeping the size of the thermometer in the manageable limit, the helix or spiral strip is used for making the thermometer. First type is spiral strip, bimetallic thermometer. This type of thermometer is used to measuring the ambient temperature. Here you can see the spiral strip bimetallic temperature. Next one is helical types bimetallic strip. The helix type bimetallic strip is mostly used for industrial application. Okay. Next one is some applications of application area where we are using bimetallic thermometer. HVAC system, which means heating, ventilation and air conditioning, room temperature monitoring, home appliance, and industrial purposes, and automobiles, and refrigerations and power plant. These all are the application area for uh, bimetallic thermometer. And uh, finally, this is the assessment question for this video lecture. First question is, what is the basic working principle of a bimetallic thermometer? Why do two metals with different coefficient of thermal expansion spin when joined together? How does temperature change cause mechanical displacement in a bimetallic thermometer? Mention the two commonly used metals in bimetallic thermometer. What is the function of the bimetallic strip in temperature measurement? This is the assessment questions for this video lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment. We will meet in this next video lecture. Thank you.